Let's go, innit? It's a teleporter.
Ah, is that cool? It's between paved dinner and ethanol. Here we go.
That was underwhelming.
I have been summoned to this land. Oh, here's history.
Yeah.
History of what?
Million years in perfect.
Yeah, 1,000,000 years of history.
Jesus. Oh my god, it
When
is.
do we get to the good shit?
It goes only up to 2009. A new bridge across the Mardi installed, allowing easy pedestrian and cycle access to the Wild Space RSPB Nature Conservation Park from the Garrison Estate.
It's not so bad.
Let's
Colours are a bit
build some rectangular pieces of shit that have no like.
but they have solar panels.
You can put solar panels in a traditional building.
But that just looks weird in a traditional building.
Who fucking who?
Well, you're the one who cares about how they fucking look.
What have we got?
Visitor centre,
A wall trail.
marshes, a river wall. Let's go to the river wall.
Alright.
You fucking what, mate? That broke. Did I tell you this thing is really shit, mate?
See if this works.
There we go. That's much better.
So it wasn't
a problem turned into a solution.
Exactly. Oh, it took me a few knots and a bit of luck.
left or right.
Go this way.
This leg looks safer.
True.
I feel like I'm gonna be shanked.
I look like some fucking old samurai just wandering through the wings. Oh shoot, I love this scene from fucking Samurai Champloo. But it's just brilliant. There's these two fucking guys in a hot tub, like a hot spring. And then one of them says this goes, I like fucking, what are they called? Fireflies. He goes, do you know that fireflies mate by sending out certain light signals? But sometimes there are fireflies who get them mixed up and accidentally attract another male. And it's just the guy's reaction to hearing this room was just, it's time to go. He just gets up and leaves. He's a gay. Oh, those are the ones that keep getting in the fucking air vent in my room. I can hear them scratching against it all night. They're arseholes. I shall fight you with my blade.
There's something really sharp stuck in the bottom of my graphics tablet. So it fucking hurts. Sometimes like I'll actually strike it. I only found it today, yesterday. I'm trying to pick it out. Get it hit with a needle or some shit. I don't know if it's actually like a wire from the pad. Maybe find out. I just start taking it out and it starts getting more and more and then it actually does something.
Seems safe.
This Mango, he's painting of sunflowers. It was actually inspired by a Japanese artist who had tried to sneak to America or England, like the same country as Van Gogh, to study there, wherever he came from. I remember there was this artist trying to sneak to another country and got caught on his way there, and then got sent back to another country where he made his home. But when he got caught, his painting that he was working on at the time that he just finished got confiscated and ended up in the country he was heading to and got given to this art school. And the art school it was given to put it up in one of the rooms where Van Gogh was staying. And people believe that is the inspiration for his sunflower picture. Because the picture was of a naked lady with sunflowers behind her. So yeah.
All against grass. All against
We'll just go through all the occasions we went to in order of when we went to them. And it just be like, oh, I remember that. I remember that. I remember that.
What, this project again?
Nah, if we joined you and started doing this as a job.
Oh.
We'll get ourselves a caravan.
Yeah, I'll get the fucking mystery machine.
Yeah.
We could get some, I got some spray paints, we could decorate it.
What should we call it?
Fucking Tardmobile.
This-
Whatever. I want one with many plugs.
Just get extension cords.
Yeah, but that
Yeah,
takes
I've
effort.
literally got like 2 plugs on near my desk. One of them's plugged into an extension, which is plugged into an extension, and the other one is also plugged into an extension.
Brilliant.
And
However,
nearly
you're
all of
going
them are occupied.
You're going to set your fucking house on fire.
Or no, because each plug, as long as it's below 13 amps total usage, it's perfectly fine. You can have as many extensions as you want on each other.
Brilliant. good to know.
I think that is actually quite good to know. We should get Paolo to like circle around our rooms and see whether or not what we put into the electrical outlets is going to like.
To be
not
fair
burn
though,
the house.
whenever I plug in my PS4 as sparks, which is a good sign.
Okay.